everyone, my name is Courtney-Ann. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, entrepreneurship, real estate, and just life in general. Today we are at the villas at Kempton, which is off Molynes Road in the Kingston area. We're going to be doing 2 units today. They range from 1,100 square feet to 1,200 square feet, and the starting price for these units are 27 million JNB. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. So the unit that I'm in right now is on the ground floor, and it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. As I step into the unit, we're actually in the kitchen area where we have a beautiful kitchen with a double sink, which you guys know I have a special spot for, and a beautiful backdrop with a gray theme, a white theme that I'm really loving. We also have adequate cabinet space here. I'm going to open a few of them so that you can see. So this is just one, and the cabinet actually goes all around the kitchen area, right? So once we're finished with the kitchen area, we're going to transition into the living space. As we exit the kitchen area, we're going to enter the living room space, and on my right here is actually the washing area. So there are actually fixtures installed already for you to have your washer and dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and open that for you so that you can see what inside looks like. So as you can see, this can definitely hold a washer and a dryer, and it's a lot of space in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and then we're going to transition into the bedroom and the first bathroom. So we're going to be entering bedroom number 1, and we have a massive bedroom here where we actually have its own closet space as well as a ceiling fan and also lots of natural light and ventilation. So come on inside, let me show you the space. On my right, we have a closet, and behind me, we have several windows that allow lots of ventilation and natural lighting. So this is what inside of the closet looks like. Right? And you definitely can install your metal rods at the top so that you can hang your clothes, keep your suitcases at the bottom, and everything will be beautifully organized. So we're going to be entering bathroom number 1, and guys, you are going to love this bathroom because I am in love already. So let's go inside. What did I tell you about the bathroom? Look at these walls. I'm loving the rough texture for this bathroom. And we actually have a walk-in shower right behind me. So I'm just going to step inside the shower to show you an estimated size of the space. I'm also loving the new fixtures that are in here. We have a large shower head, and we actually have a shower hose in case you want to use your hands and get a little bit more personal. We have modern toilets that are in this unit as well that doesn't necessarily have a handle, but you can just press here and it flushes. So now that my cameraman is standing in the shower, you can see what it looks like from the other side of the bathroom. So on my right, we actually have a beautiful single sink with a mirror and overhead lighting, which I absolutely love. I personally think it helped to bring off the space mixed with the rough textures and the lighting, and then we have a dark wood that just makes everything come together. Guys, I love this bathroom so much, and I know, comment below if you really like this bathroom. If you like any fixtures, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video as well. So now I'm going to show you guys the master bathroom and the master bedroom. So come on and let me show you guys how this space looks. Just as we enter the space, the master bathroom is actually on my right. Now the thing is, it has a similar decor to the previous bathroom, but the only difference is that the mirror actually has a black wood and the countertops are a little bit different. Additionally, you do have drawer space below. So come inside, let me show you how it looks. So like I mentioned, the wood around the mirror is a little bit different. So the mirror in this bathroom actually goes horizontally and not vertically. And here in the bathroom, the countertops are a little bit different. We have a marble theme going on, stainless steel fixtures, drawer space below. And similarly to the other bathroom, we have the shower behind me and also a modern toilet. Now we're going to exit and then go inside the bed. Now that we're in the bedroom, we have the closet space on my left and the space for the furniture on my right. Now if you notice, the previous bathroom was actually outside of the bedroom, but for the master bed and master bathroom, you actually have your own private bathroom. So the bathroom is located inside your bedroom. So the closet space is here on my left. I'm going to show you guys what the space looks like. Okay, now that we're done with the closet, let me show you guys this massive bedroom that we have here. Filled with space, filled with natural lighting and ventilation for your needs. We also have a ceiling fan in this unit as well. And if you guys were watching or paying attention, you noticed that we have accent lighting right throughout the house. So now that we've wrapped up the tour of this first unit, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the second unit that is on this complex. Okay guys, so now we're at the second unit. So I'm gonna add that all of the units on the ground floor are 1,100 square feet. Previous units on this complex have gone for $25 million. However, the remaining units on the complex, including ones on the ground floor, are gonna be going at a starting price of $26 million. So we're gonna head inside and then I'm gonna show you what the space looks like. Kitchen area, if you ask me. There's a similar color scheme to the other unit. However, this kitchen has a wine cabinet. You guys know how I feel about wine cabinets. If you're subscribed to the channel, I've expressed this before. I've personally always wanted a wine cabinet, so when I see one, I have to get excited. Also, we have a double sink with stainless steel fixtures. We also have a lot of cabinet space. I'm going to open it and show you what it looks like. So this is how the top ones will be looking. And this is how the bottom ones will be looking, right? So there's plenty of storage for your pots, your pans, your foods, all of that. After we are finished with the kitchen though, we're going to go ahead and head into the living room area. So it's kind of similar to the other house. However, with this space, in my opinion, it's slightly larger, and we have a storage area on my left-hand side, which we can use as the washing and drying area. So this is what I was speaking about before. So we have all of the fixtures installed for you to install your washer and your dryer. Here we have a beautiful back door on my left, and then you can actually head outside if you want to. We also have plenty of window space to allow some natural lighting to come in. So now we're going to be showing you how the bedrooms and the bathrooms look. So before I move on, I had mentioned earlier that units on the complex range from 1,100 square feet to 1,200 square feet. That's because some of the units on this property is actually 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, right? So you do have some flexibility where this complex is concerned, and some of the amenities, of course, you're going to have a swimming pool, of course, you're going to have night security and CCTV cameras. Okay, so let's head on to the bathroom and bedroom area so that I can show you what the space looks like. So we're going to head on into bedroom number 1. So come on and let me show you this beautiful space. We have a ceiling fan here already. We have our closet space on the left-hand side, and we actually have double doors, which I noticed with the other units as well. So you can definitely split this as a his or her closet. So this is what the space is looking like. Behind me, I have another beautiful bathroom space. So let's come on inside. So we have a walk-in shower, modern toilet, beautiful sink, but then guess what guys? We have a different setup here where the sink and the cabinet is concerned, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, what did I tell you about the fixtures? So in this bathroom, we actually have a small cabinet space with a little bit of shelving, a mirror. The sink is a little bit different as well. It's a lot more square if you ask me. And here we actually have golden handles and golden fixtures with storage space underneath. Now where my cameraman is standing is the exact same shower setup. And then if you notice as well, the walls in this bathroom are slightly different. So it's not that rough texture like the previous unit. It's a nice grayish, it's a lot smoother. It's a nice grayish texture that I really appreciate. And we also have a towel rack right here as well. So now we're going to be exiting the bathroom, and I'm going to show you what the second bedroom and the second bathroom looks like. So we're going to be entering bedroom number 2 and bathroom number 2, right? So the bathroom in this one is also private, so we can go ahead and call this the master bedroom and master bathroom. So before we go into the bedroom space, let me show you how the bathroom looks. So the decor is a little bit different in here also, because in this one we actually have a cabinet with a full-length mirror covering the cabinet with storage behind the mirror, right? We also have a small shelf here for your toiletries. We have a slightly larger sink, and we also have storage at the bottom here. Now if you pay attention to the walls, again, we have a different setup also, where we have a light brown theme going on and then a mid-ridge theme in the middle section. So this is also a walk-in shower. The fixtures are the same, the size is the same, and also the glass door here is the same. So that's the only thing that I would genuinely say that's probably consistent with the bathrooms, but every other bathroom has a beautiful, unique touch that you are going to love. If you want to see the other amenities for this property, check out the description box below, and also the realtor's information will be below as well. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because we post videos like this every week or every other week, and we also post personal finance content as well. So now we're in the bedroom space. Now for this bedroom, we do have a smaller closet. However, the size of the bedroom makes up for all of that. So this is what our closet space is actually looking like, right? Now for me, I would personally install a rod inside so that I can hang my clothes, and probably one shelf so that I can probably store a few things and have my suitcases at the bottom. Now behind me, we have natural lighting windows, large windows that will allow lots of ventilation, lots of Jamaican breeze to come inside. And just above me as well, we also have a ceiling fan. That wraps up the end of our house tour, guys. So in this video, we actually viewed 2 units. If you don't remember, you can find the full amenities to this property in the description box. And I'd like to thank the realtor Chad Cameron for allowing me to tour his amazing listings. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We do post personal finance content every week, and we post house tours every week or every other week. Also, don't forget to check out my podcast, the Black Standard Podcast, where we talk about black wealth and black businesses. You can find this in the channel section of my channel, where you will see the other channels that I'm associated with. Until then, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.